telecom network downtime and slow equipment diagnostics can take a serious toll on revenue and customer loyalty. 93% of businesses report that downtime costs them over $3 lakh per hour. So these disruptions not only strain finances but also push customers to switch to more reliable providers. And top of that, manual diagnostics and regulatory fines can add up if service level agreements aren't met, making costs skyrocketed. So that's why the Akira AI Agentic platform launched AI agents as droids and teammates for telecom equipment diagnostics. These agents provide real-time monitoring, automate fault detection, and optimize predictive maintenance, all while reducing downtime and improving service reliability. Now let's take a closer look at the challenges telecom organizations face in managing their network. One of the biggest challenges is frequent downtime. Every minute a network is down impacts revenue, reduces operational efficiency, and drives customers to more reliable competitors, ultimately increasing churn rates. So then there is the issue of slow diagnostics. Identifying and resolving equipment faults in real time is a major hurdle, leading to longer outages and higher operational costs. Even with comprehensive knowledge bases, technicians often struggle to quickly find the right solutions and delaying resolution. Lastly, we have data security vulnerabilities. Equipment failures can leave telecom infrastructure exposed to cyber attacks, leading to breaches, financial losses, and service disruptions. All these challenges put a strain on organizational resources, reduce customer satisfaction, and make it difficult for telecom companies to maintain operational excellence. To tackle these issues, the Agentic telecom equipment diagnostic system on the Akira AI Agentic platform leverages a fleet of AI agents. The AI agent for real-time monitoring continuously tracks network and equipment health, catching issues early to reduce downtime and keep operations running smooth. For fault detection, the AI agent uses machine learning to instantly diagnose problems, speeding up issues resolution. Further, the AI agent as co-pilot assists on-site engineers with step-by-step troubleshooting from knowledge bases, putting operational cost and boosting efficiency. The AI agent for predictive maintenance forecasts equipment failures and schedule preventive actions, preventing disruptions and reducing repair costs. When it comes to compliance, the AI agent for regulatory monitoring ensures SLAs are met, minimizing the risk of penalties and legal issues. So by automating monitoring, maintenance, and compliance, these AI agents not only improve data security but also boost customer satisfaction by providing reliable, consistent services. The Agentic telecom equipment diagnostic system provides significant operational benefits, with reducing downtime by up to 50% and saving companies millions in lost productivity. First time fixed rate improves by 30%, cutting down on repeat service calls and boosting efficiency. So if we talk of predictive maintenance capabilities, it lowers maintenance cost by up to 25% and enabling a proactive approach to managing systems. This increased efficiency allows organizations to complete 20% more tasks within the same time frame, while customer satisfaction rises by 20% due to quicker, more accurate issue resolution. Additionally, the system ensures compliance with service level agreements, SLAs, minimizing the risk of fines, and integrates seamlessly with legacy systems to maintain safety and enhance network reliability. Now that we have explored how AI agents are revolutionizing telecom equipment monitoring, let's dive into the demo and see these solutions in action.
Maintaining telecom equipment is challenging due to unexpected failures, leading to costly downtime and hindering seamless operations. Upon logging in, the admin sees a dashboard with real-time network status, equipment performance, and active alerts. With the help of the AI chat agent, she can ask about the heating issue in router R12. The AI real-time monitoring agent detects the high temperature, 72 degrees Celsius, and informs her that the issue is likely due to a cooling system failure, causing packet delays. The AI agent for equipment data analysis reviews recent logs and confirms the cooling fan failure as the root cause. Based on this insight, the AI copilot suggests troubleshooting steps: clearing ventilation, inspecting the cooling fan, and restarting the router. The admin reports that the fan isn't spinning and the router has been restarted. The AI copilot orders a replacement fan and schedules a technician visit for maintenance. Meanwhile, the AI reporting agent logs every action and generates a detailed report. The AI chat agent also reroutes network traffic to maintain stability. After the restart, the temperature drops to 65 degrees Celsius, but the fan issue remains unresolved. Finally, the AI copilot activates predictive maintenance for the entire network to prevent similar issues in the future. The admin receives a confirmation email, and the report is saved to the dashboard. This concludes our demo. To transform your business with the power of Akira AI's multi-agent systems, visit our website and discover how, with Agentic AI, you can unlock new possibilities for your enterprise.